So, n8n just came out with an update. They introduced their community notes edition. So when you are running n8n, you can now add all these awesome community notes. So for example, if you are using, let me see if there's something where you needed a HTTP request for, you have to set up a lot of credentials and stuff in your HTTP request, but now you can just add, for example, this node. It's a Firecrawl node, and you could just submit a crawl. All your credentials, it is going to be so easy to create a full-on workflow. Here is a list, a GitHub repo with a lot of community nodes. Currently, if you are self-hosted, you can already install all these, but for n8n, the community node has to be verified. So not every node will be available, but you will be able to install a lot. So that's for that. Another thing I was creating was the Crawl4AI. So what we are able to do now is to use Crawl4AI screenshot endpoint. We are going to screenshot a website so we can collect the data. We were using in the automation, the Google Maps automation, we were using browserless. This is the whole workflow to gather the leads from Google Business, Google Maps, and this was the setup how we took the screenshot using browserless. But for now we got another option. So let's rerun it, and I will show you the browserless screenshot tool where we are scraping and gathering all the contact information for all these websites. These are all bookies and accounting offices. So let's go back to here, and we have a screenshot of the whole website. This is just the power of self-hosting.